Hello guys, I'm Paris Yopshizga and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, market consolidating pretty much for the the entire day, and then Bank Nifty giving a breakout in the end, and Nifty also giving a breakout in the end. But if you see, Nifty was still more bullish today. But anyways, we are going to talk about what could be the case tomorrow over here. So first of all, if you see, Nifty is now above 18,000, so there is definitely a lot of bullishness that we can expect in Nifty. And yeah, from here we can also expect Bank Nifty to give a very good move at least tomorrow in the first half, because if you see, Bank Nifty has finally broken 41,700, right? So yeah, definitely things are looking very bullish for Bank Nifty too. So very simple. Although yeah, I had said that you can take a trade about above 690. If you see, we went above 690, but then we again reversed. So yeah, I did hit my SL over here. But yeah, as I said, that do not sell at least until we are below 41,390, right? Below this swing low, right? As you can see, if you would have sold over here or sold over here, right, you would have been in losses, right? Same with Nifty too, right? I had said do not sell until unless we go below 17,830. And yeah, if you would have sold before that, you would have pretty much been in losses, right? Because very simple, as I said, here the buyers are not really spooked, right? Until unless this low is broken, the buyers are not really spooked, they will need a good amount of pressure from the bears to get out of the, to like start squaring off their position. At this point also, the buyers are not really spooked because this is their zone, right? Below this is where they will start to lose faith in their position, and then they will start to square off. Anyways, tomorrow what we can do in Bank Nifty is very simple. What could happen is that, say if we open flat somewhere near 41,700 and all these levels, you guys can go ahead and take a trade as soon as we cross 41,795. Do wait for the crossing of 41,795, because what sometimes happens in these kind of scenarios is a breakout failure, right? What will happen is that we open a little bit down, and we suddenly make a big red candle on the downside, right? Now if that happens, if we make a very big red candle, what will happen is that it will become a scenario of breakout failure. And whenever a breakout failure comes, it's there will be a very big fall on the downside, right? So tomorrow, say if you open flat, right, and then just crash from here, right? Say we go to 41,600 in an instant and do not recover, right? So in the first 15 minutes you will know what exactly is going to be the case, right? If we do go down from here a lot, just know that it's going to be a breakout failure, and from there will be a very good fall, and we can expect even 41,200 to easily come tomorrow itself, right? If there is a scenario of breakout failure over here, right? Even if you open with a very big fall somewhere near 41,600 and all these levels, the first few minutes will be very important, right? If say we open with a gap down and we recover pretty much till 14,700 and then break above it, very good. The bulls are still active in this area, right? But if you open with a gap down and straight up start moving down, just know that the fall from here is going to be very good from here, right? So you can take advantage of that below 41,004 by selling below 41,460, right? Because if you see, if you sell over here, then it pretty much becomes like a triple top pattern. So it's pretty good too, right? On the upside, as I said, if you open flat and move above 41,795, you guys can buy. Your target becomes 41,980 on the upside. Pretty simple, right? And after that, Bank Nifty could pretty much hover around 42,000 for the rest of the day, maybe even break it on the upside, right? Now the only problem will be if we say open the gap down near 42,000 itself, right? Now then a lot of buyers who would have accumulated their positions over here, now they will, their target has already been reached over here, so they would want to square off their position. This could create some sort of a selling pressure from 42,000, and Bank Nifty could again come down to 14,800 and spend the rest of the day over here, or get a little bit volatile in this range only, and we could see a range bound market tomorrow, range bound to volatile market tomorrow. Now Nifty, for Nifty's case, if you see Nifty has broken out above 18,000. So very simple, if you open flat and start crossing 18,030, do not hesitate to buy over here. The sellers are already spooked because 18,000 has been broken. So yeah, do not hesitate to, buy over here and buy above 18,030. Your target becomes 18,090 on the upside, right? On the downside, at least wait until 17,930 is broken, because if we do move down from here, right, Big Nifty has a support of 17,960, which it could take over here and then again start moving up, right? So say we open with a gap down near 17,980. So yeah, we could pretty much, consolidate over here like we did over here, consolidate over here, and then break out above on the upside in the second half, right? Again, then that's still a bullish scenario. So wait for at least 17,930 to be broken on the downside. If that happens, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade over here, right? Although focus more on Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty has really not done a lot of momentum. So yeah, tomorrow could be the day where Bank Nifty does more momentum than Nifty, right? Because Nifty is already above 18,000. So what could happen is that we could slowly move up from here, whereas Bank Nifty moves up with a little bit more, with a little bit more, what do you call it, strength, right? Anyways, guys, that was it for tomorrow. I hope you guys have a good expiry. And as I say, and again, after 12:30, if you see a very good breakout or breakdown happening in Bank Nifty or Nifty, it's a very good time to go ahead and buy options, because in this environment, options are very cheap, right? They are very cheap, and you can get a very good risk to reward ratio when you go ahead and buy them after 12:30, and keep a small stop loss like 10-15 rupees, and you can aim for easily 30-40-50 rupees, right? So yeah, do keep an eye out for that too. Anyways, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.